Hi friends, this is Ankita, your expert nutrition coach from Truweight. And today I'm going to talk about a very important nutrient which is highly ignored by all of us when it comes to losing weight or being healthy and fit. We all know that to lose weight and to stay fit, carbs, proteins, fats are very important. But what we always underestimate is this mighty nutrient. Can you guess what I'm talking about? Yes, it's fiber. Fiber is basically a plant-based nutrient and is commonly known as roughage. It is a type of complex carb. It plays an important role in the process of digestion, weight loss management, regulating blood sugar levels, maintaining cholesterol levels, and many other things. In fact, some studies have also established a link between fiber and longevity of life as well as reducing the risk of cancer. Food items such as grains, nuts, beans, seeds are complex carbohydrates and are very rich sources of fiber. When fiber intake is less, problems like constipation, weight gain, and tiredness are common. Fiber intake can be increased by eating cereals for breakfast, plenty of fruits, oats, beans and legumes, green leafy vegetables, millets, nuts and seeds. You should be eating good amount of fiber, but at the same time, you should not start eating too much of fiber all of a sudden. If taken suddenly in high quantities, it may cause bloating and other discomforts. Fiber intake should be increased gradually. Also, you should remember to drink a lot of water if you are working on increasing your consumption of fiber. Adding more fiber to the diet will help you relieve constipation and improve your bowel movements. It helps in keeping the heart healthy and reduces the risk of stroke. It also helps in regulating the digestion process and keeps the blood sugar levels in a check. It will help with weight loss since it keeps the stomach fuller for a longer period of time, preventing binge eating. Eat a little amount of fiber every day so you will start to see a lot of changes within a week's time. I hope you include a lot of fiber in your diet. Thank you.